What's up, guys? Sam from Relax with Tactical here, and I think I might have found the best speed loader ever. It's not this, the one that I see everywhere, the one that I've had forever. It's not this one. So we do a lot of gun shows at Relax Fit Tactical. We do about 2 a month. We try to do more, but we're at a couple a month at this point. We just had our last one. SARS show Phoenix went really well. Thank you for everyone who showed up. But I get to see a lot of gadgets at these shows. We just did one a couple shows ago in Vegas, and I happened to be walking around, and I walked by a booth where the guy was selling speed loaders, right? A speed loader. He had things like these. He had all the ones that we all have. I have more upstairs. I wasn't going to grab all of them, but he had a bunch of speed loaders there for you to play with and to see how they work, so you could compare them to his. I'm usually intrigued by someone's creation, right? Our product, we created it. As an inventor of something, it's always nice to see someone else who invented, like my rest and load buddy, who makes magnets that you could put on your bedside and everywhere else. I like gadgets that ordinary people create. This was one that was really well done. I bought it. I haven't opened it since then, but here we go. The Uni Loader. An amazing product. I didn't tell him I was doing this. I was just blown away by how simple it works. So, I accidentally grabbed blanks, my prank blanks, as I like to call them. And excuse me, I am feeling festive. It is December. I'm in PJs. And don't forget to grab your boom shirt down below. But yeah, so here you are. You're putting bullets in. You do this all day at the range, and then your thumb is all brassy and gross and hurts. It's sore and it sucks, right? It sucks doing this. So what do? We get speed loaders. Here's our speed loader. Put it on, get it in there, forward, put it in there, backward, get it in there, forward. You get the point, right? I'm gonna take it off too, it's annoying. There we go. So what do we do? What do we do in this situation? We get the Uni Loader. This is a universal loader. Apparently there are attachments so that you can use it for all kinds of mags, but this one is pretty universal. Check it out. I got the pink one so I could grab it out of my range bag real quick and nice. Nobody will steal it. I'm happy with the pink one. He had a lot of colors, so don't worry about the colors. Uni Loader. Comes with stickers, comes with a little bit of a manual. Like I said, a couple of attachments you can get for it. Here's a little how-to sticker and another sticker. Cool. So, how does it work? It's on. Drop it. Click it. So pretty much just sit here, drop it, click it. Drop it, click it. So instead of a lever, you're just tapping it in. And then, like I said, the bottom part, which is really what grabbed my attention at first, is pretty much universal. Like I said, there's an adapter that you could put under here, but for different mags. But this is pretty universal right here. You drop it in, tap, and then I guess he was telling me this is so you can get them out. I forget. He was showing me. And again, pretty much all this is it's a rubber band that goes around the base, and then this moves. Double finger it. I guess this works with it loads most double stack double feed magazines, including the following magazines: 223, 556, AR-15, M4, Galil, Scar 16s, Mini 14s, etc. AK-47s, AKMs, Mini 30s, MP5, Colt AR-9s, Uzis, MAC-10s, Evo 3 with the attachments. So the MPX with attachments. Yeah, guys, so that's uni-loader.com. But I just wanted to show this. I just wanted to share this because this was really kind of a nice invention, nice little upgrade from this lever action BS that I've been using for the last couple years. All right, guys, grab your Uni Loader. Help promote smaller businesses in our community. It's really hard out there. So, you know, kudos to anyone going out to these conventions and pushing your product. It takes a lot of work. So, help support this guy, the Uni Loader. Really awesome. Made in the USA. Oh, and don't forget, down below, we got our new concealed carry cargos. And now since winter's coming up, our sweatpants are amazing. Like the concealed carry sweatpants is all I wear now. Because comfort is king while you carry.